Hello class, good morning. So last time we have topped the lesson number 6. So this is going to be the continuation of lesson number 6. We are going to top the sounds of W, WH, and SW. So before we proceed, I'm going to do a recap on previous lessons or for the other principles dun sa lesson number 6. Okay? So let's have the word beginning in. So in the word beginning in is represented by the brief form in or not. Remember, yung sa may brief forms, 8 set of brief forms natin nung una. So this is in and not. So if you're going to write the word invest in short and outline, it's going to be like this. Invest, invest. NBEST, invest. Okay? Do it all by yourself while I am writing the outline. Okay? Indeed, in DED, indeed, in DED. Okay. So class please be mindful of your alignment and proportion. So this is D, this is D. Okay? It should be proportion. Okay? So are we clear on that one? Okay, very good. So let's have the sounds of U, K, and G. So like what I have mentioned last time, the sounds of U is represented by a short forward curve. Short forward curve, just like this. No? Start from left to right. Okay? Left to right. Okay, not right to left. Right to left. That is wrong. So this is wrong, Okay, from left to right. So let's start the word do. We have do rather. Du, du. Okay, jury. Dute, dute. Okay, we have the word to, tu, tu, tu. So last time you have learned the how to determine the sounds or the word with different or what I mean is the same with the same sound but different meaning, right? The same sounds of a word but different meaning. Okay, so be particular on that one. Okay, so the sounds of K is represented by a uh medium forward or medium forward over curve like this. So K. So starts from the left again, then right. Okay, left, then right. Okay, in comparison to letter G, mas mahaba, or the sounds of G, mas mahaba si G. Okay, sorry. Okay, again, left to right, from left to right ang sulat. Okay, so let's have the word came. Came, K-A-M. K-A-M, came. Okay, we have the word make. M-A-K. M-A-K. So as you can see here, we have the word create and create and clearing. So I'm sorry for that. So KR, the sounds of KR and KL has a different representation of symbol. So KR is a reverse curve. KNR, and then yung the KL is an equal. curve. Okay. So are we good? So let's have the word crate. K-R-A-T, crate. Let me correct it. K-R-A-T, crate. K-R-A-T, crate. Okay, how about the word clearing? K-L-E-R, ing. K-L-E-R, ing. Okay, so are we clear on that one? Okay? Now let's have the word or the sounds of G, GR, and GL. So, like what I have said, it is bigger, or sorry, longer than the K symbol. So from left to right, G. Okay. So let's have the word game. G-A-M. G-A-M. Okay. How about the word gain? G-A-N. Mas maiksi. G-A-N. Okay. Please be careful dun sa mga outline ninyo. Especially sa M and N. Okay? Dapat mas mahaba ang M ninyo in comparison to the N symbol. G-A-M. So, G-A-N. Okay. So, gain, gain. So, as you could see here naman, meron tayong G-L. And then we have also the G-R. Okay. So, let's have this. The GR, sounds of GR and GL. So, yung GR, parang katulad ng sa KL. Pero ngayon, mas mahaba si G, di ba? So, unequal curve. And then the GL is a reverse. Okay. So, let me correct yung GR. Medyo pangit. GR. Okay. So, we're clear on that one. Okay, let's have the word gleam. G-L-E-M, gleam. G-L-E-M, gleam. Okay, don't mind this hook, ha? Okay, legal. We have the L-E-G-L, legal. L-E-G-L, legal. Great. G-R, again, an equal curve. G-R, sorry. Medyo maiksi yung G ko. G-R-A-T. Great. So are we clear on the review? Okay, ha? The word beginning in is represented by an in symbol. The sounds of U is represented by a short forward curve starting from left to right, ha? Pag sinulat. Then the K is a medium forward over curve. Left to right again sa pagsulat. Then G is a little bit longer than the symbol of K. Okay? Then the KR and KL. KR is a reverse curve. Then KL, an equal length curve. Then GR, an equal curve. Then GL, this one is a reverse curve. Okay? So let's proceed to the continuation of lesson number 6. So let's have the sounds of W. Sounds of W is represented by a short forward curve then, the U hook. Okay? So this one. So do not be confused, ha? Ngayon, nalaman nyo na yung sounds of U. Meron na rin kayong nalaman na sounds of W. Okay. So let's have the word we. We have the W-E, we. W-E, we. Okay? W-E, we. Okay. Now let's have the word way. W-A, way. W-A, way. So again, observe the alignment of proportion. So E and A is has a different symbol, huh? So week, U-E-K, 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 or W-E-K. Let's have the word weeks. U-E-K-S, just put S. W-E-K-S, or the comma S. W-E-K-S, weeks. Okay. Now, the sound of SW is a combination of the sound of SW is a combination of the S symbol, comma, S symbol plus the U hook. So this one, S plus U. Okay. So let's have the word sweet. We have the S-U-E-T, sweet. S-U-E-T, sweet. Okay. Are we clear? Okay. We have the word swell. S-W-E-L. Swell. S-W-E-L. Swell. Okay, let me correct it, class. Sorry. We have the S-U-E-L. Swell. S-U-E-L. Swell. Okay. So we're clear on that one. S-W-E-L. S-W-E-L. Okay, swell. We're clear. So let's have the sounds of W-H. So as simple or same with the W or the W symbol. So, short forward curve. Okay, let's have the word Y. W-H-I, broken circle, Y. W-H-I, broken circle. Okay, let's have the word white. W-H-I-T, white. W-H-I-T, white. W-H-I-T, white. Okay, while. So we have W-I-L, while. W-I-L, while. Okay. So are we clear? Are we clear? On lesson number 6, so sounds of W is represented by a U hook. Okay, or the short forward curve. So please take note on that. Sounds of SW is represented by the S plus U hook. Then the WH or the WH is represented by a U hook. Okay? So, please be mindful lang dun sa spelling nyo. Okay? So, wag na malilito ha. So, na-introduce na sa inyo yung the sounds of U, which is represented by the U symbol or the short forward curve. Okay? The U. Okay? Short forward curve. And then W is also forward short forward curve. SW is S plus U, okay? And then WH is U hook. Okay. So wag maguguluhan dyan ha, class? Are we clear? So let's go now with lesson number 7. So lesson number 7 comprises of another way of writing S, and then symbol for sounds of P and B, and then the symbol for the symbol U for the short and sounds of U. Okay. Last time, ang nalaman ninyo or natutunan ninyo is the downward curve or a short downward curve, which is the comma S. Now, it is now the left downward curve or left short downward curve to represent the left S. Kaya siya left S. Okay? So, you could differentiate naman yan or determine depende dun sa words. Okay? Pag gumagawa kayo ng outline. So, let's have the word Sims. So, this is a right S, then E, M, and then that is the left S. S-E-M-S, Sims. Let me write it again. S-E-M-S, Sims. Okay, let's have the word names. N-A-M-S. N-A-M-S. Let me correct it. N-A-M-S. N-A-M-S. Okay. How about the needs? N-E-D-S. 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 Okay. Let's have the word leads. L-E-D-S. 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 Okay. How about the word rights? Okay. R-I-T-S. Do not write the sound of W because apply the principle of or the you hear what you write. Okay, you did not hear the sounds of W. Okay, we have the nice and ice. So apply the joining principle. Nice. Okay. Let me correct it, class. Okay, desk disk. So dalawa to. Let me correct it. Medyo malaki yung E ko. Okay. So please do not mind on this one. So let me write it again. D-E-S-K. Okay, we have the desk. Deist. Okay. Now let's have the sounds of P, PR, and PL. The sound of P is represented by a medium or the left medium downward curve. So, half of the full height ng ating line of writing. Okay? Half. Okay? So, let me have it again. A medium downward curve for P. Okay, let's have the word P. Pay, sorry. We have the PA, pay, PA, pay. Okay, we have the pace pass. Pace pass. Okay, we have the name Paul. P-O-L, then sign of capitalization. P-O-L, then sign of capitalization. Now, let's have the sounds of PR and PL. So, it should be in a single curve. Okay? Combine lang ng P, combination ng P at L, then E-S, please. P-L-E-S, please. How about the place? P-L-A-S, place. P-L-A-S. Okay. So, P-L. P-L. Okay. Let's have the sounds of PR. PR. Is this? Okay. Mas maliit siya, ha? Mas maiksi compared to the PL. Okay. Now, let's have the word price. We have the PR. I-S, price. Sorry. P-R-I-S, price. P-R-I-S, price. Okay. The word pray, P-R-A, pray. P-R-A, pray. Okay. Now, let's have the sounds of B, BR, and BL. Sounds of B is represented by a long downward curve or long downward left curve. Okay. So it occupies the full height of the line of lighting. Line of writing. Why lighting? Okay. Let's have the word base. B-A-S, base. B-A-S, base. B-A-S, base. Okay. Let's have the word based. Past tense. B-A-S-T. Based. Okay. We have the B-A-S-T. Best. Based. Okay, let's have the word best. B-E-S-T. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. Okay. So let's have the sounds of BR. BR and BL. Okay. Sounds of BR is just a join or the B and L joining. Okay. In a single curve. So BR. This is the BL. So BR. BL. Okay. Let's have the word bright. B-R-I-T, bright. B-R-I-T, bright. Okay. Let's have the word brief. B-R-E-F, brief. B-R-E-F, brief. So this is the word of this one is an underwear, and then at the same time, it means concise or a brief story. Okay? Buod. We have the word neighbor. N-A-B-R lang. Neighbor. N-A-B-R. Neighbor. So this is the BL sounds. Blame. B-L-A-M, blame. B-L-A-M, blame. Okay. Let's have the word label. We have the L-A-B-L, label. L-A-B-L, label. So are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. So the sound of left S is represented by a short downward or short left downward curve, and then sound of B is a medium left downward curve, and then the sound of B is represented by a long forward left curve. Okay, so let's have a comparison. Left S, sound of P, and then the B symbol. We have the comma S. This is the F, and this is the symbol B. Okay, downward curve, long downward curve for the sound of B, medium downward curve for the sounds of F, then comma S or short downward curve for a comma S. Of course, the left S is a short downward left curve, and then the medium downward left curve is P, and then the long downward left curve is B symbol. Okay, that is the comparison. Okay. Now let's go with the short sounds of oo. Okay, you have learned the sounds of oo or the long sounds of oo. Okay, short sounds of oo is represented by the uh same the short over curve. Okay. Do not mind on this one, huh? Okay, let's have the word up. Upi. Uh-huh, too big. Sorry. UP up, UP up. Okay, number. We have the NUMBR number, NUMBR number. Okay, so joining principle, the U is written on its side. U symbol is written on its side after the N and M symbol. Okay, let's have the word thus. DUS, DUS, thus, DUS, thus, DUS, thus. Okay, let's have the word enough. ENUF, ENUF. Okay, ENUF. Okay, we have the word enough. Must. MU. Hold on. Let me correct it, class. Sorry. MUST. 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 Okay, the musts. We have the book. BUK book. BUK book. BUK book. Okay. Don't mind the last one. BUK book. We have the word cookbook. So K U K, then BUK cookbook. K U K, then BUK cookbook. Okay. So are we clear? Are we clear? Okay. That's the end of lesson number 7. So we have tapped already the lesson number 6, huh? Okay. So let us proceed with the lesson number 8. Okay? So these are another set of brief forms and derivatives. Okay. So please be mindful on this one. So lesson number 8 is another set of 8 brief forms, then brief form phrases, then differentiating between similar word it is and its. Okay? So like what I have said, or like what I have posted in your FB page, so you are going to provide another one notebook that is inclusive, or sorry, exclusive only for writing all the derivatives, brief forms and phrases, theory, uh, theory review, no? So at the end of the semester, I will be collecting that one as part of your requirement. So you are going to start on lesson number 4. That is the start of brief form. So and so on and so forth. Padagdag siya ng padagdag. At least 3 times. You're going to write it at least 3 times. It should be handwritten, ha? Hindi pwedeng naka-print out siya. Okay, handwritten. Okay? Yung word na as you can, for example, or is his, pwede siyang typewritten. Pero yung outline, it should be handwritten. Okay? So we're clear. So let's have the brief forms. Another set of brief forms. Okay? So let's have the word, or the brief form is his. Is his, is his, is his. You, your. Okay. We have the be by. We have the for. Can. Okay. The title, Mr. Okay. So, in transcribing titles, so for example, the Mr., like what I have mentioned in our lesson number 3, Mr. So you have to capitalize the first letter, and then after the small caps or the small letter, you should put a period because it is an abbreviation, okay, when you are going to transcribe it in longhand or in English form. Okay, so let me have it again. Mr. M.R. Mr. MR, Mr. Okay, let's have the have, 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 have. That is just a B symbol. The good, represented by a J symbol. Class ha, itong sinabi ko sa inyo, 'di ba? The brief forms, brief form derivatives, and all the phrases are the special cases of outline. So you have to memorize, practice more for you to be able to remember all of it. Okay, that is the purpose, actually, one purpose of your notebook for this. Okay, so let's have the word or the brief form derivatives form. So 4M form, 4M form. So as you could see, this is just a combination of brief forms. Okay, then nilagyan siya ng ibang symbol para makapag-form ng another word. Okay, so we call this one as brief form derivatives. Okay, 4MS forms, 4MS forms. Inform, the word beginning in, then 4M, inform, the word beginning in, 4M, inform. Let's have the word force, 4S, 4S, force. 4SD, 4SD, forced. Okay, we have the word forget. Let me correct ha. 4ST, not D. Okay, forget 4GET, 4GET, 4GET. Okay, so are we clear? Let's have the brief form derivative forgive, for GEV, forgive, for GEV, forgive. Let me try it again, for GEV, forgive. Okay, how about the word afford? A for the afford, A for the afford. Okay, how about the being? Be by, then ing, be by, then ing, be by, then ing, being. Okay? Wait, let me correct it ha. Dapat dun sa may nakalagay yung period or full stop. Dun sa line of writing. Line of writing. Being. Okay, that's it. How about the word believe? B-L-E-V, believe. B-L-E-V, believe. Okay. Let's have the word became. B-K-A-M, became, B-K-A-M, became. Okay. Let's have the word begun. B, G-A, or A-N, begun. B-G-A-N, begun. Okay. Let's have the word because. B-K-O-S, because. B-K-O-S, because. Okay. Let's have the word beside. B, and then write S-I-D beside. B, write S, beside. Okay, before, simply B and the four symbol or the form of the four derivatives or brief forms. Before, before. Okay, having, have then ing, sorry, have an ing, have an ing, have an ing. Okay. Good, the brief form good, and then the S, ulitin ko, good as goods, good as goods. Okay, cannot, can then not, cannot, can then not. Okay, are we clear? Are we clear on the brief forms and derivatives? Again, you have to memorize this one. Use the notebook or the other notebook that I have requested to requested you to provide. Okay, let's have the you and your phrases. Okay, we have the of you, of your. Okay, let me correct it. Of you, of your. Okay, yeah. Of you and of your. For you, for your. F U, F U, F U, F U. Okay, for you, for your. Hold on, let me correct this one. F U, F U, F U. So let's have the word you are and you are not. So you are, then you are not, you are not, you are not, you are not. Okay. Let's have the you have and you have not. You have, you have, you have. Then you have not, you have not. Sorry. Let me correct it. You have not, you have not. Okay. Let me emphasize the you. You have not, you have not. Okay. Now let's go to the will phrases. We have the I will be, I will be. I will not be, I will not be. I will not, let me correct it. I will not be. Okay. We have the I will have. Excuse me. I will have. I will have. I will have. Okay. You will. You will. You will. You will not. You will not. Just put not. You will not. You will be. You will be. You will be. Okay. So this is no not note, huh? You will not be. It's like this. You will not be. You will not be. Okay. Let's have the you will not have. You will not have. You will not have. Okay, then you will have. You will have. You will have. Let me correct it. Sorry. You will have. You will have. Okay. Let's have the word he will. H-E-L. He will. H-E-Well. He will. H-E-L. He will. Or the will well. Okay. Then we will. U-E-L. 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 We will. Then we will be. We will be. We will be. We will be. Okay. Medyo mahaba yung huli. We will be. Okay. So those are the brief forms phrases. So let's have the can phrases. So remember, will phrase, you praise, you will not be. Okay, we have the can phrases. Okay, let's have the phrases or the phrase I can, I can, I can be, I can be, I can be. Okay, I cannot, I cannot. Okay, I cannot be, I cannot be, I cannot be. Okay, we have the can have, can have, can have, can have. Okay, can have, can have. Okay, you can, you can be. Sug ko lang. You can be, you can be. Okay, you can, you can, you can, you can. Okay, let's have the you cannot. You cannot, you cannot. You can be, you can be, you can be. Okay, cannot be, cannot be, cannot be. Okay, we can, we can, we can. Hindi yan weeks, ha? We can. Then we cannot. We cannot, we cannot. Mhm. Let me correct it. We cannot, we cannot. Okay. Additional phrases. It is by the, by you, by your. Check nyo, baka lumabas to sa exam, ha? Lahat ng phrases. By you, by your. Excuse me. By you, by your. I have, I have, I have. Have not, have not, have not. Let me correct it. Have not. Okay. I have not. I have not. Okay. So that's it. That is the end of lesson number 8. So please review the set of brief forms. Yeah, the brief form derivatives, brief form practice, and the brief form phrases. Yeah. Okay. So what I have mentioned is the would phrases, the you, your phrases, will phrases, can phrases. Okay, and additional phrases. So let's review, or you have to review on that one. Okay. So I will be proceeding later for lessons number 9 and number 10. Okay. Thank you so much.